Hi, my name's Hannah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my incredible 2-ingredient sweet potato wraps. They're going to change your life. So it's my favorite time of the year to be using things like sweet potatoes. There are like so many around at the moment. The key to this recipe is to keep your sweet potatoes warm. You can either bake them like I have. I love to bake them because then they get all caramelly and delicious. Obviously you can also steam them or microwave them. It depends on the time that you have, but I like this because it makes them just a little bit more yummy. So I've decided to use the Orange Car sweet potatoes today from Woolworths. I love them because of this incredible, vibrant orange flesh that they have. And now we're going on to ingredient number 2, which is simply flour. We're just gonna mix them together until they make a beautiful dough. Get in there with our hands, work it in nicely. I can still feel that they're nice and warm. Incredible! When the dough stops sticking to your fingers, then you know that you're there. Voila! Lightly flour is surfaced here, and so we make little balls. Now we're doing a little rolling. Okay, so we're gonna add a nice little bit of olive oil in here. Bring that straight in there. Just leave it there for a couple of minutes and we're gonna be looking for the bubbles. Do a quick flip. Ah, yummy. We're going to be frying up some chicken, add in some butter. Delicious chicken fajita spice. This is what makes it truly yummy. And I would just turn off the heat now and let them sit like that. And then they'll continue to cook in the residual heat. So I like to eat them with a little bit of like a Mexican vibe. So we've got our beautiful spicy chicken. And we're gonna make a quick pickle of pink onions. Cool. Little tomatoes. A nice little handful of the ultimate quick pickle. And a little bit of coriander. Ta-da! Easy peasy, midweek, quick fix sweet potato wrap. All that's left to do is enjoy it.